अकेली है, बुझ गए दिए आके मेरे पास, कानों में मेरे जो भी चाहे कहिए, जो भी चाहे कहिए। रात अकेली है, बुझ गए दिए आके मेरे पास, कानों में मेरे जो भी चाहे कहिए।
ఉదయ్
నేను దయ్యాన్ని కాదే.
आंध्रा, आंध्रा कहें, आंध्रा के लोगों से कहें, तेलुगु लैंग्वेज से कहें, तेलुगु बोलने वालों से कहें, एक लाइन में मैं इतना कहूँगा कि आप सबसे मिलकर हद से ज़्यादा प्यार मिला। हर शख्स यहाँ अपना सा लगे जैसे कोई बिछड़ा यार मिला। एक ज़माने में मेरी सबसे पहली फिल्म इन गुड ओल्ड डेज इन 1967 व्हेन आई डिड अ फिल्म इन साउथ, तो दे यूज्ड टू कॉल इट साउथ। तब हैदराबाद में दे नेवर यूज्ड टू make films in Hyderabad. Hyderabad was never a center. Even for Telugu pictures, they used to go to Chennai, that is Madras, to make Hindi films. So my first film in South, in Hindi of course, was with Mr. Dhundi. Mr. Dhundi आप जानते होंगे, Vijay Lakshmi Pictures. Mr. Sundarlal Nata and Mr. Dhundi were partners. और वो that picture was the remake of Gudachari 116. Mr. Krishna was the hero. And I did that my first film. And it was a very, 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 very big, this is the biggest hit, ratio-wise. Today that amount of money has no value, but at that time the kind of value that money had, I think it is one of the biggest hits in my career. So I started with Telugu people with my first South picture. So I kept coming to Madras and kept doing a lot of films. Then, but all my producers were Telugu people. I worked with Mr. Ramanaidu, I worked with Mr. Anjanelu, I worked with Mr. Dasi Narayan Rao, Raghavendra Rao, T. Rama Rao, Mr. Purnachandra Rao, whole lot of people, and did lot of pictures. My emotional moment, I tell you, because in 1982, I was in crisis, financial crisis, because I made a film which was one of the biggest flops called Didare Yaar. And at that time, Mr. Hanumant Rao and Mr. Sheshgiri Rao, they were the owners of Padmalaya Films. They made a film with me called Himmatwala. And that's how I revived with Himmatwala, and I could tide over my problems, my financial problems. Once upon a time in 1983, I bought a house in Hyderabad at Masab Tank. And I sold that house in 98 because I was not staying in the house, was very big. But I had love for the city so much that the first house out of my Bombay which I bought was in Hyderabad. Now the first regional picture, we have made a lot of Hindi films. The first regional film which we made was in Marathi, which was just released, Taryanchi Bait. That's a film which got big critical acclaim, but that is, my mother tongue is Punjabi, my Karma Bhumi is Maharashtra, so I made a film there. Now my love Bhumi or whatever, my destiny movie, Destiny land, what you call it, is Andhra. मैं आंध्रा, I used to live 25 days in a month in interiors of Andhra. Karamchedu, Chirala, Vijayawada, and Rajahmundry. I used to spend about nearly 20 days every month in these interiors of Andhra Pradesh. So I know Andhra Pradesh very well. So first picture that after Marathi that we have made is this one. This is not a dub film, it is made into Telugu. So I'm very happy and very proud because my daughter Ekta, she knew my weakness for Andhra and she, out of love for her father, she made this film in Telugu. So let us hope, because the main ingredient, of course the most commercial ingredient is horror and sex, which is there in this film. But if this film does well, we will be encouraged to make more Telugu films, more meaningful cinema which will have a lot of relevance and which will matter to people. It should not be only commerce. It should be, see, it is commercial art, but it will be commerce plus art. And I hope I keep coming to Hyderabad. And this is the first time I've come to Hyderabad after a long gap. And what a change, what a beautiful city it has become, though very crowded. And anyway, it's a pleasure meeting you all. Thank you very much. I hope you give me all the love and affection to the film, to my family, what you have given it to me. Thank you very much.
About the film Ragini MM, which is a paranormal thriller, and it's one of its own kind. It's a very unique horror you'll see first time on Indian screen in Telugu cinema. And the main thing is we haven't, as Sir told, we haven't dubbed the film. Like, we shot it bilingual. Like, we shot one take in Hindi, then another take in Telugu. There are a lot of films in Telugu cinema which have been dubbed from Hindi, but this is the first time we have actually shot the film in Telugu. And this is a very different horror film which you're going to see for the first time. I hope you'll give us your support. This is our first Telugu venture. I hope you'll love the film, you'll love us, and we'll keep coming back here. Thank you.
This is my fourth visit here, and I absolutely love the city and its people. This is my first film in Telugu, also in Hindi, of course. And like Raj said and Jeetuji said, we have not dubbed the film, we have shot it in Telugu. And it was a great experience. It's a beautiful language. And I hope you will all go to the theaters on Friday and watch the film, because it's a very unique horror movie. It's very voyeuristic. It's got sex, it's got horror, it's got thrill, it's got everything that the Telugu audiences will appreciate. And I know for a fact that audiences in Telugu are very receptive to new ideas. So I think they're going to love the film. So I hope that you all will watch it. And this is the first city that we are visiting other than Bombay to promote the film. So that tells you how important Hyderabad is to all of us. So I hope you will all support us and give us your love. Thank you so much.